If a business owner or a CFO is considering implementing business analytics, they may be overwhelmed with all the options. So logically, where should they start?
I reckon they start by looking at the low-hanging fruit. Things like planning packs that are built up by a user in the back office by interfacing with an ERP system, because you can automate something like that in a couple of weeks using something like Cognos TM1. And the benefits around that is a direct data connectivity. The actuals just flow into the system. You've now got a collaboration-based environment, so people can actually work together, and you've got visibility into that process using the workflow. So that results in reduced time to create those planning packs, where typically it had been taking weeks to build. You've now got better insight into how the plan's being collated through the workflow, and you've now got commentary on all the different bits of data that are coming back and forward.